Okay, it's Monday at about, what, 11 o'clock?
11:15.
11:15 in the morning. Jane and Neil are here in the sanctuary, and we just got auto tracking set up on camera one, the new Move SE. So Jane is the subject. She's representing, I guess, Suzette doing the prayer section of the worship service. So she's there, and we turn auto tracking on. We're on camera one. Got to be on the camera that we're auto tracking, and camera one is the only camera that can auto track. So we press the top button on the joystick, and then Jane Suzette moves around, and it is auto tracking her. I have complete hands off here. She's moving over here into the back, and it's auto tracking her. And she's going back up toward the front. And once she gets to a certain position, it tends to zoom in and frame her up pretty good. So move to the other side. Yeah, there you go. And it's tracking her. My hands are both on the camera. There's nothing touching the joystick here. Okay, and once all of that is done, to turn this auto tracking feature off, you simply press the top button on the joystick again. So press. And now it is not tracking her. She's over here. Now we can have lunch. So that thus ends the auto tracking experiment.